Hey everybody, my name is Werner and today it's about how to create a cinematic sequence quickly and easily. Yesterday I grabbed my bike and went to a small waterfall nearby. I made a few shots on the way there and made a short clip. I used my GoPro, my Sony and my drone. I'll show you the result in a second and explain which rules you should follow to create such a clip quickly and easily. So have fun with this video. I hope you liked the short clip. As you could see, I didn't use any fancy transitions or effects. In this video I would like to show you a few simple rules how you can quickly create such a cinematic sequence. It is true that it is easier if you use a drone or a very good camera. Nevertheless, this is not decisive. In my next video it will be about how you can create a similar cinematic sequence with your GoPro alone. Today, however, we are talking about a few general principles. Shoot at a high frame rate and create a clip in slow motion. Choose the highest possible frame rate that your camera can handle at 1080p. Optimal would be 120 frames per second, but 60 frames per second also works well. For your final clip you should choose a frame rate of 24 frames per second. So if you filmed at 120 frames per second, you can create a slow motion of 20%. Slow motion has several advantages. On the one hand, it already looks cinematic itself. Until a while ago, cameras that could record in Full HD at 120 frames per second were only accessible to professionals. The second advantage is that you have less to worry about stabilizing your footage. The slow motion automatically stabilizes the clip and the video only looks cinematic when it has been perfectly stabilized. Of course, you can also film in 24 frames per second, but you will see that the whole process becomes more complicated if the result should look cinematic. The second decisive step for a cinematic sequence is color grading. Colors are incredibly important if you want to make your clip look cinematic. I've already made a few videos about this topic. Color grading can be quite complex, so if you want it to be fast and easy, you can use a lot. Music is at least as important as colors. Check out your favorite clips and think about what you like about the music in these clips and why the music is so important for the video. I personally find all of my music online. However, I don't have a paid subscription and therefore I usually search for music with a Creative Commons license. Write me in the comments if you are interested in a video on how to find good music for your own projects online for free. When editing your videos, you should make sure that it fits the music perfectly. So you should cut to the beat and think about what moods the song creates and how your clips match the different parts of the song. I prefer a quick cut. My clips usually have a duration of 1 to 4 seconds. That of course is not a basic rule, but I think it's better if the length varies a little. So you have shorter and longer sections. I also usually use a combination of wide angle shots that show the whole scene and close-ups for the details. Add sound effects to your clip. These can be water effects, ambient noise or whoosh effects for transitions. You can also find sound effects online. Some are already included in your editing program. Create a collection of your most important sound effects, those that occur again and again. Water noise, bird songs, whoosh effects, steps, etc. You'll see this will speed up your workflow considerably. If you have a DSLR or a mirrorless camera, you should open your aperture as wide as possible to create a shallow depth of field. This looks cinematic especially for close-ups, but pay attention to the focus. If you are filming in sunshine, you will also need an ND filter, otherwise the wide aperture will cause overexposure. Add a letterbox to your clip and your cinematic sequence is done. I hope you liked the video and was helpful to you. If you have other tips yourself, write them in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and see you soon.